Baby Rooney TV
That's a lovely one to
experience.
right. Finds Bahini once again. Lifting it deep inside. The camera needs to be careful. That's a bit dangerous. Oh, he's in! He's in! His Nexus win the first goal. And guess who? It's Chawate. The Kimpin have
Baby
just
Rooney
put the hands on the
TV
pocket by Wallace.
experience.
And the face of Prosper Natal goal tells it. Come on, cannot believe it. And the fans in the stands cannot have their joy. You can't understand, you can't see it. It's the darling boy that has struck them into the lead. And Obuasi is certainly on the tenterhooks. As Joseph Ablo stays on the ground.
Baby Rooney TV
Well,
experience.
let's watch it well. Who's got in a goal? Here was Suleimana. Let's watch it. Let's not credit anybody's goal. It's rather
Baby Rooney
Suleimana
TV
Nafiu
experience.
instead.